Hola, welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare chocolate coconut ice cream, helado de chocolate y coco, using an ice cream maker machine. I will be using the Cortes ice cream maker, but you can use other ice cream makers for this recipe. Make sure that you place the cylinder bowl in the freezer overnight. Read your user manual in its entirety before operating your unit. We are also going to melt one package of Cortes chocolate bars. Cortes has been a very popular brand in Puerto Rico since 1929. It is the biggest chocolate producer in the Caribbean, but you purchase the brand of your preference. For this cooking demonstration, I will be using 4 cups of fresh coconut milk and 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, each can 14 ounces. A link will be posted for preparing fresh coconut milk in the description section of this YouTube video for those individuals that are interested. However, you can purchase canned coconut milk if you want to. Let's start preparing the coconut milk mixture. In a large bowl, pour 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. And 4 cups of fresh coconut milk. Stir both ingredients until well blended. We just finished preparing the coconut milk mixture. We can now melt the chocolate bars, so place 6 chocolate bars into saucepan. And pour at least 4 tablespoons of the coconut milk mixture. Melt the chocolate bars over low heat. Once the chocolate bars start to melt, stir until the chocolate bars are fully melted. The chocolate bars are completely melted. It has a rich dark color with a silky and shiny consistency. Let's slowly pour the coconut milk mixture. And stir until well blended. The chocolate coconut ice cream mixture is done. Remove immediately from heat. I poured the ice cream mixture into this large glass measuring cup after cooling for 5 minutes. Cover with lid and place in the refrigerator overnight. We can start preparing this delicious ice cream as soon as I remove the chilled chocolate coconut ice cream mixture from the refrigerator and the chilled cylinder from the freezer. Place the chilled cylinder on top of motor base. Insert mixing paddle and place lid. Turn the switch on and immediately pour the ice cream mixture through the feeder hole. The churning process will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes or until the ice cream mixture becomes frozen. After 25 minutes of churning the ice cream, remove the lid. You can see that the chocolate coconut ice cream is frozen with a soft consistency. Since I want my ice cream to have a thicker consistency, I am going to remove the ice cream from the cylinder and place in an airtight container that can be stored in the freezer. I added the chocolate coconut ice cream into this container and spread the ice cream evenly on top. Now let's place cling wrap over the container and gently press down until it touches the entire surface of the ice cream. This will prevent the formation of ice crystals. Cover with lid and place in the freezer for 4 hours or overnight. I removed the ice cream from the freezer after 4 hours. Let stand at room temperature for a few minutes to slightly soften before scooping out the ice cream. Remove the lid and cling wrap. The chocolate coconut ice cream is ready to be served. Place several scoops of the chocolate coconut ice cream into a glass bowl and enjoy. For your information, you can serve the ice cream straight from the ice cream maker if the consistency is to your liking. Let's taste the chocolate coconut ice cream. This ice cream is very rich and creamy. Since I am a chocoholic, I love the deep chocolate flavor along with the fresh coconut. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Que rico. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare chocolate coconut ice cream, helado de chocolate y coco. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.